all you do. You don't know how important your voice is and how dangerous it is what you do. So God bless you for all the risks that you take. What I want to bring up is, when is the Durham investigation to come out? If it does not come out before the election, we lose the opportunity, perhaps, of ever getting justice, and the Democrats will do whatever they need to do to win ever again, and it won't matter. The law won't matter.
Listen, I can't believe it's taken this long. Horowitz report took too long. This has taken too long, and we ought to be able to know what happened in 2016 before we vote in 2020. It's sad, and it is. I think that Durham has done a disservice to the country by not working faster. The evidence is overwhelming. It's incontrovertible. Thank you, John. Ty in Wyoming, less than a minute. Ty, it's all yours.
Yes, I just want to inform your viewers, thank you, you're a great American, that if they're, starving on sport, they should go out and support rodeo. Rodeo, we say a prayer and say the national anthem before every performance. So if they're sports depraved, go to a rodeo, watch the Cowboy Channel on RNBC.
Don Imus passed away a while back. I actually have been sponsoring his son Wyatt, who's a great calf roper and cowboy, big time. And I'm a huge fan of it's an athletic event. I mean, if you don't believe it, try and stay on a bull. Good luck. Anyway, I appreciate that reminder. Anyway, 800-941-SEAN. Contract with America, commitments to America. Republican leader McCarthy explains next. Hey, Sean Hannity here. You may think you know the amazing story behind America's Journey West and the historic clashes. All everyone wants to hear.
somewhere is douchier than you.
You got it.